Today we're celebrating the 72nd anniversary of Human Rights Day. Human Rights Day is observed every year on December 10th, the day United Nations General Assembly adopted in 1948, the Universal Declaration of Human Rights.
The Declaration is a milestone proclaiming the inalienable rights in which everyone is inherently entitled to as a human being, regardless of sex, race, color, religion, language, political or other opinion, natural or social origin, property of birth, or other status. It is available in more than 500 languages, making it the most translated document in the world.
This year's Human Rights Day theme is youth standing up for their human rights, as a generation will ultimately have the greatest impact on our future. It is imperative that we participate in all decisions that have a direct and indirect impact upon our well-being. We need to be heard to inform more effective decision making and achieve sustainable development for all.
Young people have always been the drivers of political, economic, and social transformation. We have always been the forefront for positive change and bring fresh ideas and solutions for a better world.
Young people are often marginalized or kept from enjoying their rights due to their age. Therefore, as a first step to empower you to better know and claim your human rights. Today, we will review them with you. Article 1 of the Declaration of Human Rights states that we are all born free and equal.
Article 2 is I have the right to freedom from discrimination.
Article 3 states that everyone has a right to life, liberty, and security of person. This article means that you cannot be detained or imprisoned without the government having a good reason for doing so.
Article 4 says that no one shall be held in slavery or servitude. All forms of slavery and slave trade is prohibited.
I have the right to freedom from torture. This is stated in Article 5.
Article 6. I have the right to recognition everywhere as a person before the law. Everyone has a right to be treated as a human.
Article 8. Everyone has the right to legal assistance if my rights are being violated.
Article 9. I shall not be subjected to arbitrary arrest, detention, or exile. You cannot be arrested without a reasonable cause.
Everyone is entitled to a fair and public hearing. Everyone who is tried for a crime is innocent until proven guilty, stated in Article 11.
Article 12. Everyone has the right to privacy, for your life and information to be protected.
Article 13. Everyone has the right to freedom of movement and residence within the borders of each state. Everyone has the right to leave any country, including his own, and to return to his country.
Article 14. Everyone has the right to seek and enjoy in other countries asylum from persecution. This right may not be invoked in the case of persecutions genuinely arising from non-political crimes or from acts contrary to the purpose and principles of the United Nations.
Article 15. Everyone has the right to nationality. You can decide where you are a citizen and of what country you identify with.
Article 16. Everyone has the right to marriage and to form a family.
Everyone has the right to own property alone as well as in association with others, and no one shall be arbitrarily deprived of his or her property.
Article 18 of the Human Rights is everyone has the right to freedom of thought, conscience, and religion. You are allowed to believe and practice whatever you want to.
Article 19. Everyone has the right to freedom of expression. You can share your thoughts and ideas as protected by your human rights.
Article 20. Everyone has the right to freedom of a peaceful assembly and association, and no one may be compelled to belong to an association.
Article 21. Everyone has the right to take part in the government of their country and the access to public services. Article 22. Everyone has the right to Social Security. Article 23. Everyone has the right to work. Everyone has the right to equal pay for equal work. Article 25. Everyone has the right to health, food, and shelters.
Article 26. Everyone has the right to education. No matter your race or gender, you are allowed to learn.
Article 27. Everyone has the right to participate in cultural life and to the protection of authorities' rights.
Article 28. Everyone has the right to participate.
Article 29. I have the duty to the community. We have the rights to voting and participating in actions that will affect our country and community.
And finally, Article 30. Nothing in this declaration may be interpreted as implying for any state, group, or person any right to engage in any activity or to perform any act aimed at the destruction of any of the rights and freedoms set forth herein.
Our human rights need to be protected, and it's our job as a future generation who have the most impact on the world to protect our rights. We are all human, and we all deserve to be treated as such. No one can take away these rights that we have from the moment we are born. No human is beneath any other, and it's the belief we are protecting.